So I have so many things to do today, and I'm so excited because I'm so busy. So I stayed up till 2 a.m. Doing stuff for the business, and I had to get up early even though I'm so tired, like my body wants to go to sleep. I was getting so many notifications that I had to get up and work. Okay, so first things on the list, I got my iPad finally set up. So number one, giveaway. I have to do all the things for the giveaway right now. All right, number two, process order. 3, organize desk. 4, shout out. 5, promote 15% off sale. And then last 6, edit. So here is my to-do list for the day. I am gonna get all of this done hopefully by noon. Right now it's just turning 9 a.m. Again, I had 2 giveaway winners. Let me tell you guys, so I actually am about to be a brand ambassador for the jewelry company that I tagged on Instagram that I got my letter B from. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm just so excited. So I basically, this is why it's important to like do things intentionally. So I tagged them on Instagram knowing that they were going to see it, and they did reach out to me and they thanked me. They reposted my story, and I asked them if they had any brand ambassador deals basically going on, and they were like, sorry, we don't right now. And then like the next day they were like, actually we are going to give you, because I was promoting them either way, they're like, actually we are going to give you a discount code for anybody you follow so that they can get money off of their order, and you know, I'll get commission off of that. So I have this is not my first official brand deal, but this is definitely like one of the bigger ones. This time I have like a real company that I'm working for, so I'm really excited about that. All right, let me go get the boxes for the giveaway so I can put the stuff in there. So here's just a few things that are inside of the box that I'm giving away. My card on top, of course, and it's a real thick box. Okay, my giveaways is not like cheap. So I got some brushes that I just don't need. I bought them, but I don't need them. I have an easy to wear eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, a lip thing. I have one of my products in here. I have one of my palettes down there. I have the Barbie lip gloss. Giving away some face things, a lipstick, a sleeping mask, and an additional palette. So my giveaways are pretty hefty. So this is why it's very important to always enter my giveaways. I'm just reusing a BoxyCharm box because I have so many of them, and that way I don't have to worry about going to go purchase more boxes. So I'm gonna package this really quick and then go on to the next one because I have 2 of them to do. I'm gonna quickly write a note for here just so I can put it on the inside of the box. Alright, let's write a quick note to our giveaway winner.
Times on the beat, man.
So I wrote a note. I said, congrats on winning the giveaway. Thank you so much for entering. I hope you enjoy all of the prizes inside this box. Keep up the support, and you never know, you might just win again. XOXO, Berry Face. All right, so let's see what we checked off on our list today. So far I've done the giveaway. So I'm going to cross that out. I've processed orders. Now it's time to organize my desk. Got to stay on track. Got to. Okay, so I've been doing a lot of things off camera, but it's all good. So we did organize the desk. Now it's time to do some shout outs, which I'm gonna switch in place of promoting the 15% off. I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna do some shout outs later. So I'm gonna promote, and I'm gonna eat some breakfast because I'm hungry. It's a hot mess, but listen, I just have to get them done, whatever. I'm gonna do some promotions. I gotta get my screen fixed because this is just not it. Like, this cracked. I can't do it. But luckily I have an iPad to fall back on, so I'm gonna use my phone, my iPad. I'm going to go to my story, open, go to my things, enable photo access. Yep. So I'm going to look for this. Delete the date. I'm using for my promotion for this weekend, and yeah. I look like a hot mess. I got up at 8:30 today. It's almost 9 o'clock now. So I am about to check on my to-do list for the day and then go get ready to get everything done. So let's open our notes. All right, so the first thing on my list today is to complete orders, go to the post office, drop off everything that I have, which is a lot today. Finish editing Berry Faye Beauty episode 3. I have a doctor's appointment, and then I have to go shop for the photo shoot. I'm just going to Publix to go get some strawberries and different kind of drinks and cute knickknacks. So yeah, I just finished getting ready. Now I'm about to, ooh, look at these lips. I'm about to package an order. So these are all the packages that are going to the post office. Those two are from the giveaway. These are from orders. And that one on the bottom, that big old box, is also a Berry Faye Beauty order. I can't be leaving the house without eating, because then it's going to encourage me to spend money, and I don't want to spend any money. So I'm just gonna eat a quick Hot Pocket real quick. There, boom. I'm gonna take a fruit cup. And fruit cup. I'm gonna fill up my cup with water. So I actually don't really like this watch band, but I'm not really trying to return it either. Okay, still a little bit loose. All right, so let's go, because I have a lot of stuff to do. Whew. This is why I need an assistant. So I'm back from the post office. I'm about to edit Very Fake Beauty, Building My Brand, episode 3, because that needs to go up by tonight. So I have an hour and a half to finish editing. It's not gonna take me that long. And then I'm gonna start uploading it, which takes long. I gotta go on with the rest of my day, so. The heat drains me. Every time I go outside, I'm so drained. I cleaned my desk the other day, so. Take these off. It's so cute, huh? Oh my gosh, baby, look at that. Oh. Woo, look at that package. Dang. Oh my gosh. Come on now. Babe. Oh my gosh. So these are highlighters. You know what highlight is, babe? You know what it is. It's the thing that girls put like where it makes them like a little, you know, little glimmer right there. But mine's obviously, I mean, it all depends on how much you put on. You don't have to put that much on, but they are definitely pigmented. So this one is called Queen, and the other one is called Melanin. You is not ready. Ready. Look at that. Come on, man. Look at that. Little swatch. Yes, sir. A little goes a long way. Yeah. All right, so this is Queen Pain Color. As you can see, total difference. But depending on what look you're going for and who's wearing it, it's going to show up so nicely. Come on, Queen. Ah. Obviously geared more towards browner skin, but this one on a lighter skin tone is gonna be it's gonna be just as effective as if it was that. Cause I mean, basically like brown,
right.
You know, fair, Caucasian, light skin. That's gonna translate so much better on their skin. But this could also be nice on brown. It all depends on your look, like. That's what makes me the most proud. Like, and look at the logo. It showed up really nice. It's really nice.
It's perfect.
Like that alone, like I would just have this like sitting on top of my like makeup vanity just so I can see it. So the last thing is you have to print out the actual shipping label. Pull the plastic off of this and then seal it like that.